unfortunately, our AC is not working very good. So, I'm having to borrow this big fan from my father-in-law. Next day, and the AC situation is not any better. It's freaking worse. It's 75 degrees outside this morning. It is 83 inside the shop. It's terrible. And my landlord wants to think like, oh, it's July, you know, there's only so many degree difference. Like, I'm sorry, it's not working. The temperature has not budged. Like, it's going up and up and up and up. The units are not working, and everyone here is frustrated. Okay, the AC is fixed, and we're a lot happier in there. But it did inspire us to go ahead and get window perf up on the front of our building here. So we're getting started. It's an 80-20 perf, so that's the difference right there. Can you still see out? Yeah, you can. A little bit. It's actually really hard to see out, especially if I'm up close. There you go. Brick vinyl, substance 444. Magenta, and then there's magenta in magenta. All right, you guys, finally a vision come together. Took me long enough. All right, guys, so that's it for this week. We had a lot of fun. We got to do a little bit of brick vinyling, the Substance 444. That was cool. And we actually fired up the fiber laser for the very first time. So not too shabby, but we got a lot done this week. Branding done on the building. We have air conditioning. All is good in the world. I do really appreciate you guys tuning in. Give it a thumbs up. Like, comment below. I appreciate everything. Take care, guys. Here's a couple more pics of a couple of projects we finished this week. Take care.